Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today we'll be trying the Allies of Skin Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser. This product retails for $41. I knew when I was trying out products from this brand and ordering their new sunscreen, I had to try out the cleanser. I feel like a cleanser is a very defining part in what makes a brand so amazing, and I'm just now getting into trying out products from this brand. I've seen a lot of people saying this is one of the luxury skincare brands that is actually worth it, and so I'm very excited to try out this cleanser because it seems to have amazing skin supporting ingredients in it. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlight ingredients in this product include silk amino acids, ethylated L-ascorbic acid, and organic safflower oil. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. Since this does seem to be a very nourishing cleanser, the big things I'll be looking for with it include how well does it cleanse, does it leave a film or finish on the skin. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm going to give you all a quick check-in on this product. I have used this product twice. I used it 2 times yesterday, and so far it was a very beautiful cleanser. This has a very moisturizing texture, and I can really see that this is effective at cleansing without stripping the skin. You also get a pretty good amount of this product, and you don't have to use very much. But it starts off as this almost gel-like texture, and it does lather up, but it's not stripping whatsoever, and it just feels so silky on the skin. I do actually recommend going in with this on dry skin. I'm going to do that today, and I did that yesterday morning because I don't oil cleanse twice a day. I used this last night paired with an oil cleanser, and usually I just go in right after. It worked perfect. I love it because it's very nourishing and hydrating, but it is very effective, especially when paired with an oil cleanser. I also feel like this would be the perfect starter cleanse in the morning. The only thing about this product, which is not a problem for me, but just something to be mindful of, is the smell is not necessarily the most enjoyable. But here's the thing, with me, I would rather fragrance not be added to a product because you do open a wider range of people who are able to use it when you don't include fragrance. And so I'll take whatever smell it has, just as long as it is effective and has amazing ingredients in it. What I'm loving about Allies of Skin so far is that it seems they are very thoughtful in their formulas, and they put the necessary ingredients, but a great combination of ingredients too to really make an effective product. So it does start out where you can barely see it, but once I add water, it starts lathering a little bit. But the lather is so gentle. It's barely even there. And when I woke up this morning, I didn't change anything in my skincare routine except for this product. I use the same moisturizer I always do, use the same everything, and it really left my skin feeling nourished when I woke up this morning. I am interested to see how this would pair with actives. I feel like they released a really gentle, effective cleanser because they are known for some of their more intense yet effective actives from what I've heard other people saying. It's just such a silky feel. I'm really in love with this cleanser. And after drying off my face, my skin doesn't feel tight. I obviously do feel like I need to go in with a moisturizer, but this product leaves a very nice finish to the skin, and I still have some bounce to it. It feels very luxurious while cleansing and also leaves a nice finish to the skin without leaving any film. Enjoying it so far. I'm going to continue using it and now check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really enjoyed this cleanser, and I feel like the ingredients in it make it stand out from a lot of other cleansers on the market. This is a more expensive cleanser, but I didn't find I had to go through it very quickly, and it just had such a rich, luxurious texture to it that I feel like I've not really seen in many other cleansers. The ingredients of it make it a very nourishing cleanser, while it also has a very nice, gentle lather that does an amazing job to cleanse the skin without stripping it in any way. Additionally, I found that this product was doing well well enough to cleanse my skin where I wasn't developing acne, which sometimes does happen with more hydrating cleansers. I felt like this was, in my opinion, the definition of the perfectly balanced cleanser. It is honestly a product that I see myself repurchasing and investing in because it just left such a nice finish to my skin. I love this product both as a daytime refresher cleanser because it is the summer, so sometimes I do like to cleanse my skin twice a day, especially because I am acne prone, and I felt that this was the perfect refresher cleanser. But yeah, it was also the perfect cleanser at night to use in a double cleanse routine with an oil-based cleanser, and it did well to remove any skin tint or sunscreen that I had on my face, and it was just a really well-rounded cleanser in my opinion. I cannot think of any alternatives that are more affordable that replicate this product. I do feel like the ingredients and the feel make it a one-of-a-kind cleanser, but I can provide a couple of options of very balanced cleansers that worked fairly similar in my opinion, but nothing compares to this. I do still love the Prequel cleanser. Some people said that product was too stripping for them. It personally worked great for me, and it is a more affordable option. There's also the Round Lab Birch Moisturizing Cleanser, which I found to be very well-rounded as well, but like I said, the ingredients of this product are really unmatched, and so it's hard to find something that replicates the exact texture and experience of this product. That's why I feel like this product is very unique, and I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.